Meaning of frostily.
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 Frostily. Frostily is an adverb that describes a cold and unfriendly demeanor or atmosphere. When someone behaves frostily, they show little warmth, enthusiasm, or emotion. It's as if the person were covered in frost, making them frigid and distant. The word can also describe a chilly environment or situation, such as when a conversation turns awkward or tense. Using frostily in writing or speech can add a layer of nuance to a description or dialogue, painting a picture of a person or situation that is distant, unapproachable, or uncomfortable.